Hi everyone, my name is Isabel. I am a wellness consultant in the Tampa Bay area, and today we're going to learn how to make apple cider toner, apple cider vinegar toner. It is very easy to do. You only need to look into your kitchen. You need to use unfiltered apple cider vinegar. It is very important to get it unfiltered so that it keeps all its nutrient properties. The other thing you're going to need is some brewed green tea. And I brewed some here for us for our little demonstration today. And what you will need to do here, I made a whole glass so that you can prepare, a little bit in advance. And you will mix 2 parts of the green tea, 1 part of the apple cider. Mix them together, stir, and then you can put everything either in a little spray bottle or a convenient jar that you can use in your bathroom. And what you will do is put everything, dab it into either just use your hands and then put it over your face, or you can use cotton swabs, obviously, and cotton tabs. So you would put some and then just use it as you would any other kind of toner, all over your face, your neck area, even in your chest area if you want to. That is as simple as that, really. I hope you learned something new today, and I look forward to speaking with you soon. Take care.